Hi folks, this is the DevOps for Mobile Apps update for July 29th, 2022. Today I want to show a demo of a simple tool I've been working on to make it easier to debug CI jobs. We've been seeing some issues when running Fastlane builds on the new macOS shared runners, and I wanted a way to be able to get into the CI job so that I could more easily track down the problem. Building off some of the work the runner team had done, I packaged up a CI template that makes it easy to set up an SSH tunnel into a runner job using a tool called ngrok. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to have an ngrok account, which you can set up at ngrok.com. The free tier is fine to get started. Once the account is set up, grab the auth token from the Your Auth Token section in ngrok and add it as a CI variable in your project. You'll also need to add your public SSH key to the project as a CI variable. Once your CI variables are set, the next step is to include the ngrok pipeline debugger CI template in your pipeline. You can copy-paste that from this example. Then add an ngrok job to your CI pipeline and use that to set the stage you want the debugger to run in and any tags you want to apply to the job. After you commit those changes and push to your project in GitLab, you'll see a new job in your CI pipeline. This job is triggered manually, so you only have to run it when you need it. Click the play button to start the job. While that's running, I'll explain what the job is doing. The first 3 lines of this script install and run a gem called export-env. This is a Ruby gem I created to ensure the SSH session picks up all of the environment variables present in a typical CI job. Next, the script will add the public SSH key to the authorized keys, allowing SSH access to the machine. And lastly, we use Homebrew to install and run ngrok. Now, if we look at the output from the job, we'll see it's printed out the host and port number of the ngrok tunnel. With this information, we can now SSH into the machine with the same environment that a CI job would have. Now that I'm connected, I can move into my build directory and run the same Fastlane job that was failing earlier. And you can see I get the same error as before. So now I'm ready to dig in and track down the error. So that's it. Take a look at the issue in the video description below for all the details on how to get set up and a link to a sample project. Feel free to add any comments or feedback you have to that issue as well. Thanks.